Endorsing an existing policy. Two control buttons on the bottom of the policy screen give rise to an endorsement. These are Amend and Endorse. Policy amendment. Locate the required policy as described above. Select the required policy, if more than one. Click Amend or Alt-A to enter the policy amendment process from the selection at the bottom of the policy screen. This invokes the policy amendment process, allowing changes to be made to the policy. Move to the policy schedule, Alt-C. Proceed with the alterations, additions, or deletions to the risk items in the policy in the same way as when entering a policy record and attending to risk items. As soon as the risk item details are added and the Q&A section is completed, FlexiBroker will assess if these changes have financial implications. FlexiBroker will offer the option to raise prorated premium and fee debit or credit endorsements. If so, an endorsement comment screen is displayed. The user can alter the endorsement date, add an explanatory comment, or cancel the endorsement, Alt-E, or click Continue, Alt-C, to complete the process. An endorsement transaction details screen will display. Several options are offered here. Change the date, the comment, or the insurer. Some useful information is also given. The algorithm for calculating the period of the endorsement expressed as the number of days of cover as a proportion of the normal number of days for this period, being days of the current month for monthly or days of the current year for annual policies, etc. Also the timing of the payment, advance or in arrears. The user can then decide to save and exit, Alt-X, which retains the endorsement, or exit, Alt-E, cancel the endorsement whilst leaving the risk item details as entered, or undo, Alt-U. This will totally remove the entries made in this transaction, including the risk item information. A debit note for the endorsement will be raised with the next debit note raising process. If a debit note is required immediately, this can be done from the policy context menu. From the bottom right of the policy record, click Alt-N. Follow the prompts.